Crypto experts said it would be impossible to buy Cardano after that.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. The crypto expert has talked about Cardano many times. But after his observations of Cardano, he talked about how the price of Cardano will change. Cardano fell by more than 5% in a day and tested the minimum at $1.67. Despite attempts to win back losses, ADA still remains under pressure. The token reached a historic high on September 2nd at $3.09 and has been steadily declining since then. In 3 months, Ada has fallen by 45%, but at the same time it is still almost 9,000% higher than the historical minimum set in March 2020 at $0.019. Now Cardano ranks 6th in the ranking of cryptocurrencies with a capitalization of $54. The average daily trading volume is approaching $2 billion. The volume of Cardano liquidations over the past day exceeded $3.5. According to the blockchain, more than 51% of Cardano holders are at a loss. They bought a token more expensive than the current price. In addition, the graph below shows that almost 400,000 addresses bought a total of 5.41 billion ADA tokens at a price of $1.7 to $1.8. This means that it will be difficult for the price to overcome this resistance. From a technical point of view, Cardano's fall is below the key level of $1.75. Now the nearest support is at $1.50. 50 of the 50-week EMA. Formally, Cardano fell due to broker eToro, who decided to exclude the coin from listing for American clients, citing regulatory risks. Here is what is known about it. According to experts, the fall of the crypto token on the news of delisting is a standard emotional reaction of the market to an unexpected decision of the broker. The expert emphasizes that American regulators have never had claims against Cardano, so if no new details are received, the token will quickly win back losses. However, the crypto expert notes that this news is just a reason for the sale of an overvalued coin. A critical position is also supported by a crypto trader, known on the trading review under the nickname Excavator. He is sure that the news will have a very bad effect on the mood of the crowd and will strengthen the protracted correction of hell. The trader is sure that in 2021 Cardano grew on the expectations of smart contracts, but this incentive has long since faded. The expert named the level of $1.32 as the nearest important support. This is the previous peak of 2018. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has fined the popular crypto forecasting service provider Polymarket $1.4 million, and also ordered it to close markets that do not comply with federal agency rules. According to a press release issued by a leading financial regulator, Blockratise, the parent company of Polymarket, was accused of not registering as a designated contract market, DCM, and as a swap execution mechanism, SEF, so it had no right to offer over-the-counter binary options contracts based on events. According to a press statement, Polymarket acted as an illegal event marketplace, urging the public to bet on your faith. This action is contrary to the CEA and CFTC rules. Polymarket has made a name for itself as a decentralized information markets platform that allows users to bet on the outcome of real events, such as the inflation rate in the country, political elections, reports of COVID-19 cases, and the nomination of political candidates. The CFTC gave examples of some of these events on the site. For example, will ETH be above $2,500 on July 22? Will the average number of COVID-19 cases in 7 days in the US be less than 15,000 on the day of July 22? Will Trump win the 2020 presidential election? Speaking about the development, Vincent McGonigal, acting director of enforcement at the CFTC, said all derivatives markets must operate within the law, regardless of the technology used, and especially including in the so-called decentralized finance, or the DeFi space. The CFTC acknowledged that the firm's cooperation during the investigation played a role in reducing the fine that the New York firm was asked to pay. Polymarket confirmed the fine on Twitter, and also reported that in July 2021, the crypto betting platform opened a forecast for a project based on the Cardano cryptocurrency, the Cardano blockchain, asking users if the project would be able to add a smart contract function before October 1, 2021. Unfortunately for Polymarket, it lost $50,000 to Charles Hoskinson as Cardano released the Alonzo update, which came with smart contract compatibility earlier than expected. Polymarket challenged Cardano again and this time wondered if the value of its own token would reach $3. Interestingly, the specified token unexpectedly jumped to the target, and the Polymarket lost for the second time. It also opened up a bet in the United States elections in 2020 as to who would win the battle for the hot seat in the White House between former President Donald Trump and Joe Biden, in which the latter later became the new president. A little more than 3 months have passed since the Cardano Alonzo fork was implemented, but the blockchain is already gaining significant popularity among developers. According to data collected by CryptoRank and Santiment, Cardano was the most developed crypto project on GitHub in 2021, with over 140,000 events. Kusama and Polkadot, who took second and third places respectively, complete the top 3, with approximately the same number of events per year. Cardano was ahead of Ethereum development activities by a large margin, with the latter taking 4th place. Sentiment defines a GitHub event as creating a problem, creating an extraction request, commenting on an issue or an extraction request, or branching/starring/viewing a code repository, among other things. Last week, in a live YouTube broadcast, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson announced that about 127 projects are being developed on the Cardano blockchain. The live Cardano price today is $1.3 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $957 million US. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 1-2% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.